Understanding voice activation, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, voice activation. This term is becoming increasingly important in our technologically advanced world. So, if you're ready, let's dive into what it means and how it's used. Voice activation is a compound noun made up of two words, voice and activation. Let's look at them separately. Voice. This word refers to the sounds we make when we speak. It's not just about the words, but also about the tone and pitch. Activation. This part of the phrase is about starting or triggering something. It usually refers to making a device or system work. When combined, voice activation refers to a system or device that starts working when it hears a voice. Voice-activated devices use a technology called voice recognition. This is how they work. 1. Listening. The device is always listening for a specific trigger, like a name or phrase. 2. Recognizing. Once it hears the trigger, it uses algorithms to understand the voice commands. 3. Responding. After understanding the command, the device performs the requested action. Examples of voice-activated devices include smartphones, smart speakers, and even some cars. Voice activation is not just a cool feature, it's becoming a vital part of our daily lives. Accessibility. For people with physical disabilities, voice-activated devices can be incredibly helpful. Convenience. It makes using technology easier and more intuitive for everyone. Safety. In situations like driving, voice activation allows users to keep their hands free. That's all for our exploration of voice activation. It's a powerful phrase that represents a significant shift in how we interact with technology. I hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Stay curious, and keep learning.